Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting in store for you. We're going to reveal the easiest way to make money on Clickbank. If you've ever wanted to start earning online, this video is a game changer, so stick around till the end. But before we dive into the good stuff, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss an opportunity to level up your online income. Segment 1. What is Clickbank? Alright, let's start with the basics. What is Clickbank, you ask? Well, it's one of the largest affiliate marketing platforms on the planet, with thousands of digital products waiting for affiliates like you to promote. Clickbank connects product creators with affiliate marketers, making it super easy to earn commissions by promoting products you're passionate about. Segment 2. Niche selection. The first step to success on Clickbank is niche selection. You want to choose a niche that you're genuinely interested in and that has products with high gravity scores. High gravity scores indicate that a product is already selling well, which means more opportunities for you to earn commissions. Segment 3. Product research. Now, let's talk about product research. Dive deep into the Clickbank marketplace and find products that solve real problems for your target audience. Look for products with compelling sales pages and positive reviews. This is a sign that the product is in demand and likely to convert well. Segment 4. Content creation. Once you've chosen a product, it's time to create content around it. You can make review videos, tutorials, or blog posts. The key is to provide value and build trust with your audience. Remember, authenticity is key. Be honest about the product's pros and cons, and don't forget to include your affiliate link in the description. Segment 5. Promoting your content. Now, here's the golden nugget of wisdom. Promoting your content is crucial. Share it on social media, email your subscribers, and engage with your audience. The more eyeballs you get on your content, the more potential buyers you'll reach. Segment 6. Analyzing results. After a while, it's time to analyze your results. Check your Clickbank dashboard to see which products are performing best and which strategies are bringing in the most sales. This is where you fine-tune your approach and focus on what's working. And there you have it, folks, the easiest way to make money on Clickbank. It's all about choosing the right niche, doing thorough product research, creating killer content, promoting like a pro, and analyzing your results. Remember, success on Clickbank takes time and dedication, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can turn your passion into profit. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your fellow aspiring affiliates. And, of course, subscribe for more tips and tricks on making money online. Thanks for tuning in today. Until next time, happy clickbanking!